Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to check the warranty on any Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. Now to do that, just open the Chrome browser. Now from here, search Xiaomi Global. Now from here, scroll down and open the Xiaomi Global website. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Customer Support. Now from here, just scroll down and select the country from where you are using the smartphone. Now from here, as you can see, there are multiple ways you can contact with the customer support. We will choose service and chat. Now from here, scroll down and tap on live chat. Now from here, tap on yes. Now just enter your email address. Tap on submit. Now from here, just type warranty status. Tap on send. Now it will take a few seconds to reply. Now from here, as you can see, they replied, "Hi, welcome to Xiaomi customer service." Now just type, "I want to check the warranty of my smartphone." Tap on send. Now as you can see, they replied, "Dear customer, kindly share the mobile IMEI number." So for that, go to your home screen. Now tap on the dialer. Now from here, copy the IMEI code on the screen. Now from here, go back to the Chrome browser and paste the IMEI code you just copied. Now from here, tap on send. Now it will take a few seconds for them to reply. Now as you can see, they replied, "Dear customer, kindly wait a moment. I am checking the details for your smartphone." Now as you can see, this is the IMEI code of our device, and they've also mentioned the name of our device. As you can see, Redmi Note 13, 8GB of RAM, 256 of ROM. Now from here, as you can see, the warranty start time is 31 January 2024 and the warranty end time is 30 January 2025. Now also they mentioned the second IMEI code of our device because our device supports dual SIM. Now as you can see, the warranty start time is 31 January 2024 and the warranty end time is 30 January 2025. And this is how you can check the warranty on any Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.